win for former President Trump as a federal judge grants his request for a special master to review the documents the FBI seized at his home last month.
CBS 2's Alice Gaynor here now with what this means for the Justice Department's case. Alice.
Christina Maurice, the decision by a federal judge in Florida came despite objections from the Justice Department. The DOJ said an outside legal expert was not necessary, partly because officials had already completed their review of potential privileged documents. U.S. District Court Judge Aileen Cannon, nominated in 2020 by then-President Trump, said he should be granted an outside lawyer to review the evidence, writing in her 24-page ruling that the former president faces unquantifiable potential harm if more sensitive information is made public. The detailed list of inventory taken from Trump's Florida residence includes 13,000 items, among them more than 100 documents marked classified and 48 folders with that marking found empty. Cannon wrote that a special master would review the seized property for personal items and documents and potentially privileged material subject to claims of attorney-client and/or executive privilege.
The strongest thing a special master could do if they did find executive privilege would be to say, I have designated these 50 documents as covered by executive privilege, and therefore they should be given to Joe Biden to decide what to do with that privilege. It still doesn't go to Trump.
The judge's order said the seized records include medical documents, tax, and accounting information. The Department of Justice says personal items that were recovered were mixed in with classified information, giving them potential evidentiary value. The order gives a September 9th deadline to the DOJ and Trump's legal team to jointly file a list of proposed candidates to serve as special master and outline what their specific duties are.
The kind of person they'll be talking about is probably a retired, respected federal judge.
This ruling may now delay the investigation. The order bars the Justice Department from further reviewing the evidence collected until the special master's work is done. But it does allow for the continuation of the classification review and intelligence assessments being conducted by the Office of the Director of National Intelligence. And the Justice Department could appeal the decision. It says it's examining the opinion and will consider next steps. Maurice, Christine.
Okay, Alice, thank you.